So basically, what cloud gaming is, term used to describe a form of online game distribution. The most common method of cloud gaming currently are video streaming and file streaming. Cloud gaming, also in some cases called gaming on demand, is a type of online gaming that allows direct and on-demand video streaming of games onto computers, consoles, and other devices, similar to video on demand through a thin cloud.
Before we explain further, let's have a look at history of cloud gaming.
In year 2000, G-Cluster demonstrated first cloud gaming technologies at E3. The original offering was cloud gaming services over Wi-Fi to handheld devices. Video game developer Crytek began research on cloud gaming system in year 2005 for Crysis, but halted development in 2007 to wait until the infrastructure and cable internet provider were up to the task. Then, in year 2014, Sony announced its PlayStation Now to take over the market. After that, in year 2015, Nvidia announced its GeForce Now, still in closed beta. Later, now some companies like Google Stadia, EA Atlas are trying to place their feet in this industry.
So now move to our main point.
After the client is installed, the actual game is stored, executed, and rendered on the remote operators or game company's server, and the video results are streamed directly to a consumer's computer over the internet. This allows access to the games without the need of consoles and largely makes the capability of the user's computer unimportant. The best part about cloud gaming is that the user can play the game without downloading or installing the actual game, and the game content is not stored on the user's hard drive, and the game code execution occurs primarily at the server's cluster. And subscriber can use a less powerful computer to play the game. A small part of a game, usually less than 5% of total game size, is downloaded initially so that the gamers can start playing quickly. The remaining game content is downloaded to the end user's device. While playing, this allows instant access to the games without low bandwidth. Now let's have a look at some of the popular cloud gaming websites. Number 1, Vortex. Have a look at Vortex. So this is Vortex. You can see Vortex is a very popular website for cloud-based gaming. As you can see, there are tons of games available here, from latest to oldest, just like Apex Legend, Fortnite, Rainbow Six Siege, Team Fortress. Apex Legend, which is a brand new game right now, which requires highly powerful hardware, but on Vortex, you can play it easily without any required high performance hardware. You just need to pay a monthly subscription of 9.99 USD dollar. I think which is not a big amount to pay for such huge gaming platform. Number 2, Parsec. Parsec is cloud storage website that provide cloud storage and also provide cloud gaming platform at a minimized rate of 76 cents for every hour as you play. This is the best reason to play on Parsec. You don't need to pay any subscription, so pay as you play. Number 3, playkey. Now there's an option of playkey. This website works on even the most low spec computers but requires internet connection starting at 10 Mbps at a resolution of 720 pixel on 30 frames per second. Also, they provide a free trial of 3 days, but their subscriptions plans are quite high. At least $35 you have to pay for 30 days. Number 4, Paperspace. Paperspace delivers a full gaming PC in the cloud. Play the best titles and install any application. Paperspace is partnered with a Parsec, so their subscription plans are similar. So, subscription plan of Paperspace is 78 cents for every hour as you play. So, it could be a better option for you. Number 5, Nvidia GeForce Now. Nvidia GeForce Now for Shield devices was originally launched as Nvidia Greed and is the company's answer to PlayStation Now. It is a cloud gaming service that gives access to the games stored on dedicated GeForce graphics enabled PCs, which can be played on Nvidia Shield TV box or Nvidia tablets. It runs on services using Pascal's based PCs and up to GTX 1080 graphics, so it is capable of running games as the best and streaming them to your device. The PC and Mac version of GeForce Now is very different. It gives access to selected games brought through Steam, GOG, Origin, Ubisoft's Uplay, and other online hubs to play wherever and whenever you want to. The games are also be played on GTX 1080 PC to give you the very best experience no matter what computer you are streaming them to. It also means you can play high-end PC games on an Apple Mac without having to invest in any new hardware. For both versions of GeForce Now, the games are stored and played remotely and video up to 1080 pixels and in 60 frames per second is streamed to your device with control cords being sent in opposite direction over the internet. It is an extremely low latency service, so there is very little lag and it responds as if the games were stored directly on your device. In many ways, you can tell the difference. In our next video, we will talk about Google Stadia, future of gaming. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.